Happy New Year, YouTube. Just thought I'd share a little video here of this 1993 Cougar 440, liquid cool. I picked this up last night for $1,200. Sitting in a barn and had the carburetors off it. The fellow had let it sit and was going to try to get it going, but didn't want to mess with it. So he messaged me, I'm going to take a look, and instantly knew I wanted it. It has 1,900 miles and real good shape. It come with all the owner's manual, the papers, even the sold sign from when it was bought, the handlebar tag, the assembly checklist, owner's manual, safety book, and yeah, it's pretty nice. I'll give it a quick start and I'll show you underneath the hood. Runs excellent. Here's a little view of under the hood. It's a 440 liquid cooled, oil injection. This old sled's in nice shape for a 93. Studded track as well. I just had it for the first drive and I'm impressed. Had to put some new gas lines on it. There was a couple fuel leaks and just little bugs to work out. She's been sitting a long time. Pretty awesome. They're still around. You just gotta be persistent in finding them. And I think for $1,200 was more than a fair deal. Anyways, if you like my videos, like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.